Gary here. This is a short video clip of my traction motor that I have modified from a regular existing motor and the flux gate generator that I made. It's going to be running from a 12 volt source, two 5.5 amp hour batteries in parallel, and the meter on top is an ammeter that shows the current draw. The energy from the motor will be recovered, the radiant energy, and be used to charge this battery, and it will also be carrying a 500 milliamp load of LEDs. The output from the generator will go to a full wave bridge rectifier and a capacitor, a large capacitance capacitor. It's 15,000 microfarad. The battery voltage will be registered here, and this will be the charge battery, and it's going to be carrying a load of 400 milliamps, two 100 milliamp strips, and a 200 milliamp incandescent bulb. So I'll turn the meters on. We're looking at 13.08 volts on the capacitor and the battery that will be being charged. Everything is fully charged to start with. We got 12.92 volts on the battery that's going to be collecting the radiant. That will be hooked to the 500 milliamp load, and we've got 13.12 volts on the run battery. So I'll hook everything up and we'll get started running. Looks like I just lost a voltmeter lead. There it is. Okay, this is hooking up the run battery, the source, and I'll start the machine. You can see right away the radiant charge battery is jumping up pretty quickly in voltage, and so is the charge battery. Okay, now I'll hook the loads on. Now the voltage will drop down some and stabilize on the radiant collection battery, and we'll hook this load up on the generator output. You can see a little incandescent bulb and the 200 milliamp LED strips, and the voltage is starting to drop. It'll drop down a ways and then stabilize. It looks like we're pulling right about 900 milliamps. And the charge battery has dropped to 12.66. The blue waveform, channel 1, is the generator output. And it's clipped. The voltage is clipped on it because we're charging and running a load with it. See if I can focus on the frequency. Okay, there's 14.2 12.29 hertz. So take that times 60. We got, whoop, get my calculator instead of my phone. So we got 14 point, get over here, 14.29 times 60. It's running 857 RPM, the generator is. The motor's running at about 95 3/4 hertz. So 95.75, figure that out, 95.75, and it has 2 poles, so we'll multiply it times 30 to get the RPM. So it's running about 2,872 RPM. It's around 3.33 to 1 gear reduction. Maybe you can see that here. So I'm going to shut this off and let it run a while. Looks like the run battery's setting at 1272. We're still pulling 0.9 amp. This battery is setting at 1256. This battery is setting at 1275. So we'll shut that off and come back here in a little bit. Okay, it's been running now for 2 hours. We'll turn on the meters. One battery is setting at 12.3, 12.29. Current draw is right at 800 milliamps. Radiant charge battery is setting at 12.37. The generator charge battery is setting at 12.59. So I'm going to go ahead and shut it down now.